Hey guys, Rob and Next Gen Writer here again. It is Saturday morning, 10 o'clock, April 5th, here in the Philippines. So that means April 4th back in the US, or the night of. So I woke up this morning to an email from Chigee. So this kind of confirms that the launch is happening. Basically, they say, we're excited to let you know AIO 6 pre-sale is launching within the next 48 hours. So that kind of jives with what the commenter said about Saturday, US time probably. And it says you will receive an email with your exclusive link to access Kickstarter's secret reward. Please be sure to enter Kickstarter via the link in that email to unlock the VIP reward. For others of us that have done this, it says, don't worry, your spot is reserved. And then they also dropped a link to a new AIO6 marketing video. So this is an unlisted video, but I'll drop a comment with the link in the description for this video. It basically gives some close-ups of the detachable system for CG release and BMW. Pretty cool stuff there. And then it gives a little bit more, it shows some animation or video actually of the Ace Pro camera communicating with the AIO6 display. So that's very cool. And then some other stuff about the functionality that we've already talked about in previous videos. So very, very powerful system coming from Chigee, and release is imminent, man. I'd say in the next 24 hours. So the thing is, this one's going to be a chunk of change. I'm looking at like $700. And I've been buying writing systems. I've been reviewing a lot of cheap ones, a lot of not so great stuff. But this is, I'm going to get the AIO6 Max, I hope. The LTE is $100 more, a little bit more functionality, but I don't really need that. But I got to run this by my wife, and coincidentally, tomorrow's my birthday, so I think I can leverage my birthday and get a little get this thing on its way. Hey, hon.
Yes, honey.
Did I talk to you about the AIO6 Chigee writing system?
What is that?
It's a new writing system from Chigee, AIO6, 6-inch display. Does everything my Alien Writer does and more. It's going to integrate my camera, so it's going to make me a lot safer on the road, so I can start and stop my cameras. And what else? Detachable. So here in the Philippines, sticky fingers. I can take it off the bike and secure it when I do a roadside stop on my ride. So, everything I need here in the Philippines.
Okay,
And
how
the
much is that going to cost you?
It's going to be about, I'm guessing $700. I don't really know because I think it's going to get discounted on Kickstarter a little bit, I hope. But I saw the retail numbers, and it's, retail's probably going to be about $700. So I'm guessing something a little less than that.
Do they have the picture of the product yet?
Yeah. It's right here in the email. They did a video. So, what do you think? Birthday present?
Sounds good. Looks good. Yeah. Since it's your birthday tomorrow, you can have it. You deserve it.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.